Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have a brand new 2020 CR-V in the shop, and today we're going to be going over HydroCharge and HydroSlick. Let's get to it. Before I get started on applying HydroCharge and HydroSlick onto the CR-V, keep in mind I already washed it, I also clay barred it, I polished it, and I use Wipeout to remove any oils left from the compound or polish, just so I could have a bare paint, and HydroCharge and HydroSlick sticks onto the paint and bonds correctly. So before anything, you guys comment down below, that's a new vehicle, you guys don't need to polish, you guys don't need to clay, you guys don't need to wash it. Keep this in mind. I personally do not know when it was the last time this vehicle was properly cared for, while it was washed, polished, or how it was washed. A dealership might say, yes, we washed it, but did they wash it correctly? So this is why we always recommend, whenever you apply ceramic coating to your vehicle, start all over, strip everything off, clay and polish. It does not matter if it's a new car, older car. If it's a newer car, just give it a very light polish and you're good to go. So now we're gonna be moving on to HydroCharge and HydroSlick. How I like to explain HydroCharge. HydroCharge is a second layer or sacrificial layer of protection that's going to bond on top of your clear coat or even your paint. All you need to do is shake up the product, spray on a microfiber applicator, and then apply it. So HydroCharge is going to harden 4 times harder than your clear coat and then add extreme hyperactive water beading to it. So before I get into HydroSlick, let me show you guys how to properly apply HydroCharge, because we are gonna have to wait 3 hours for it to bond, then we'll be moving on to HydroSlick. So I'll meet you guys at the paint. So now we are here at the paint. Before applying it, always make sure to clay it, because if you don't clay the section and your paint sounds very sandy and grassy, like not this one. This one's very smooth to the touch. Now that it's contaminant free, it is time to apply a protection like HydroCharge. So HydroCharge is a spray ceramic coating that all you need to do is shake it up to get the proper mixture. Spray some onto your microfiber applicator, a couple sprays, and that is all you need to do when applying. When applying, always apply in linear motions to get an even coverage around the whole entire vehicle. We always recommend applying it in an enclosed area and allowing 30 seconds or even to 2 minutes, letting it sit on the surface of the vehicle. It all depends on the weather where you live. For example, here in California right now, it is cool, it is not too hot, so I could let it sit here for 1 to 2 minutes, compared to a very humid place like Florida. If it's very, very hot over there, just let it sit for 30 seconds, then buff it right off. So HydroCharge is going to harden on your paint. It gives you the benefits of a nano ceramic coating in a spray format. That's how cool it is whenever you apply HydroCharge. It's also going to be delivering a crystalline shine to any color paint, whether it's blue, black, red, orange. It's going to give it an amazing shine, but this just goes onto your paint. And it also lasts up to 12 months. So you guys just saw how I applied it. Once it's already applied, I'll get a clean microfiber towel and just buff it off. And the cool thing about HydroCharge is you do not need any type of elbow grease. It just wipes right off, and the shine is amazing. HydroCharge also fills in micro scratches, so if you didn't get them out fully, it's going to fill them in. It's going to give a crazy crystalline shine to your vehicle, and over time, within the 24 hours that you applied it, we recommend keeping it out of the harsh elements, and the hydrophobic properties will improve over 24 hours. So just apply it and buff it right off. And just like that, it just came right off. HydroCharge can also be used as a booster. So if you already have a ceramic coating on your vehicle, you could use it as a booster. Just apply it the same exact way. It's going to revive your existing ceramic coating, or you could use it as standalone, or you could pair it up with HydroSlick. So let me get the rest of the vehicle. Then 3 hours later, keep that in mind, 3 hours later, I will come back and apply HydroSlick, because we want to allow HydroCharge to bond properly onto the paint, and then we'll coat it up with HydroSlick. we're back. It's been 3 hours. We just came back from lunch, but now it is time to apply Hydro Slick. What is Hydro Slick? Hydro Slick is one of a kind. Hydro Slick is a suspension gel that is infused with SiO2 technology that's going to deliver a crazy amount of protection up to 12 months. And the cool thing about Hydro Slick, it just not only works on paint. You could apply Hydro Slick to your glass, your headlights, your wheels, chrome, and even your paint to enhance durable protection and crazy hyperactive water beading. So all you need to do is grab Hydro Slick, shake it up. Once it's already shaken up and it's properly mixtured, you grab a microfiber applicator and you'll apply about that much, because a little bit goes a very long way. And you guys can see, look how slippery the gel is. So now I'll go to the surface, blotch it out, just so I can get an even coverage. And I am not applying too much on only one area. I'm applying a very, very thin layer. And Hydro Slick can be applied over existing ceramic coatings, or if you just want just a standalone product, Hydro Slick is a great way to go. Apply it. And Hydro Slick is going to do the same exact thing as Hydro Charge. It's going to add crazy hyperactive water beading to it while delivering a candy-like shine to any color vehicle. So if your vehicle is dark, it's going to add a crazy depth to it, while if your vehicle is red, it's going to add a warm shine to it. And keep this in mind, Hydro Slick does not contain wax whatsoever. It has the latest SiO2 properties in it and the latest gloss enhancers that's going to make any vehicle shine. So now I'll grab a clean microfiber towel and just buff it right off. And if you even want to go further with your steps while applying a glaze to your paint, we also recommend allowing 3 hours to pass before applying anything over Hydro Slick. So guys, let me finish up applying Hydro Slick to the paint, the wheels, any chrome pieces around the vehicle, and then I'll show you guys the crazy shine it's going to deliver to this CR-V. There you guys have it. You guys can check out the amazing shine Hydro Charge and Hydro Slick brought out onto this 2020 CR-V. Keep in mind, Hydro Charge can only be applied onto painted surfaces, while Hydro Slick can be applied on paint, chrome, wheels, glass, and even headlights. In between application, make sure to let Hydro Charge to bond 3 hours onto the surface, then follow it up with Hydro Slick. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. If you want to pick up these products today, head over to our website, ChemoGuys.com, or stop by your local detail garage today and pick them up there. And we'll see you guys next time right here at the ChemoGuys Detail Garage.